Very good morning, class 5th. I am your maths teacher Jyoti. Today we are going to start a new chapter in mathematics, chapter 4, that is operations on large numbers. Operations on large numbers. Here the meaning of operation is related to the calculations we used to do in mathematics like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication on large numbers. Large number includes, here we have more than 4 to 5 digits in each number. As you can see that in our earlier classes we used to add up to 3 numbers only, 2 numbers only, like this. But in this chapter we are going to calculate large numbers. So let's start. The 4 basic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with whole numbers, are called fundamental operations. So you all know what are whole numbers? The numbers that started from 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, which do not contain any kind of integers or fractions, are whole numbers, and they always start from 0. So your first topic is addition, rapid recall. In this you have to add the numbers given in your first question. Add, you just have to add them, like I have done adding here, like 9 plus 6 15, 15 and 4 19. So 9 here, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 and 7 12, 12 and 6 18, 8 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, 7 and 8 15, 15 and 9 24, 4 here, 2 here as carry, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 3 12, 2 with carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11. Completed. This is how you have to do this set of questions given on your page number 27. You have to do all this with yourself. Now in the question, in this kind of question which are given in the next paragraph, addition of large numbers, these are also large numbers, but the number included in the next paragraph, in this you got numbers up to crores, 10 crores, lakhs, 10 lakhs. You will get that series here, you can see here. But here you have got only 1000, 10,000, that's it. Now we have to calculate, we have to add the numbers in crores, in lakhs, 10 lakhs and all. Okay, so how do we do that? See, this is page number 28. Calculate the answers to the following addition problems. Locate each answer in the puzzle. Answer may be vertical or horizontal and diagonal. See, what we have to do, we have to search for the solution of the given question. For example, first of all, I will take out a solution of this. See, how to do this? I have written down this question here, and here I have mentioned ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. I do not have to write directly as it is given. We have to see that whether the number is up to lakh, whether 10 lakh, crore or 1000. Just like this number is given here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we have to write it up to 1000 like this, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So according to our place value system, Indian place value system, we have to write down this. So I have written down this, then I added the number given here. I added, like we have added on previous page, this question. In simple way we have added this question also. Now what we have to do, we have to circle in the puzzle given below, and we have to circle it like this. See, just like my answer is 8369,649. So I have to find this series. So it is already given 8369,649. See, 8369649. So my answer is correct. So I found it and I circled it. Like the same manner, you have to do all other questions like this. You have to find solution of them and you have to circle the puzzle given here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move to those questions which contain statement into them. Individually, the area of 4 South Indian states. The 4 states of South Indian part is given here and their area is also given. Like Andhra Pradesh has 1 stands 100,000 10,000 lakh, 2,76,914 square kilometer. It is the area of Andhra Pradesh that is given to us. Next, Karnataka has 1,91,773 square meter area. Then Kerala has 38,864 square meter of area. And in the last, Tamil Nadu has 1,30,069 square kilometer of area. What is the total area? See, whenever it is asked to find out the total sum, add these words, here we will do only addition. Always keep in mind. So it is asking us for what is the total area. So we have to write down the statement first of all. Just like I have written down this, I have copied this statement here in my way. Like areas of 4 South Indian states are. It is also given in the book. The area of 4 South Indian states are. Area of Andhra Pradesh, that much. This is given to us. I have written it down here. Area of Karnataka is given. Area of Kerala is given and area of Tamil Nadu is given. And in the end it is asking me the total area. Total area of 4 Indian states. So I have written it down like we written down in Indian number system. 1 stands 100,000 10,000. It will be easy to manage how to write the number at their accurate place values. So let's add them. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 and 9 20. So 0 here, 2 in carry. Now 2 plus 1 3. 3 and 7 10. 10 and 6 16. 16 and 6 22. So 2 here and 2 carry. 9 plus 2 11. 11 and 7. 9 plus 2 11. 11 and 7 how much? 18. 18 and 8 8 8 16 carry 1 26. So 6 here and 2 again on carry. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 8 17. 1 here in carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 and 9 17. 17 and 3 20. 20 and 3 23. 2 on carry. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. Here is nothing. So the total area of 4 South Indian states are 6,37,620 square SQ kilometer. We have to write down the unit also. Okay. In whatever unit the question has been asked to us, we have to answer in that form only. Just like in your next question, the unit given here is rupees. So you have to write rupees only in the according to the given question. You cannot write rupees here or here or here. No. Whatever unit is given in your book, you have to write according to that. Now come to next question. India exported food grains worth rupees 1 stands 100, 1000 10,000, lakh 10 lakh, crore 10 crore. Means India has export food grains of how much? 98 crore 65 lakh 79,837 rupees, and purchased or means exported money for machines for how much rupees? 37 crore 96 lakh 83,795. And India exported steel of how much? 25 crore 84 lakh 37,462 rupees. And cement cost rupees 25 crore 47 lakh 28,946. So he is asking to find the value of total export of this country, means how much all the materials, how much all the materials are exported to country. So I have written down here the place values like we have done earlier. So I have mentioned price of food grains. It is given in my book. Food grains have 98 crore 65 lakh 79,837. So I have mentioned here price of food grains is this. Then price of machine is this. Price of steel given in my book is this. And price of cement is this. Now I have to find out the total value of the materials exported. So my unit is rupees. I will write it down rupees here and start adding from here. Do not add from here, always add from here. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 and 6, 20. To carry. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 and 9, 14. 14 and 6, 20. 14 and 6, 20. 20 and 4, 24. To carry again. 8 plus 2, 10. 10, 7, 17. 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 10, 7, 17. 17 and 4, 21. 21 and 9, 30. 3 carry here. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 and 7, 22. 22 and 8, 30. 3 carry here. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 and 3, 21. 19, 20, 21. 21 and 2, 23. 2 carry again. 5 plus 2, 7. 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 and 6, 13. 13 and 4, 17. 17 and 7, 24. 4 here, 2 here. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 and 9, 17. 17 and 8, 25. 25 and 4, 29. 2 here again as carry. 8 plus 2, 10. 10, 7, 17. 17 and 5, 22. 22 and 5, 27. 2 here again. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 and 3, 14. 14 and 2, 16. 16 and 2, 18. That is my answer. The total value of or the total export of the country is rupees 187 crore 94 lakh 187 crore 94 lakh 30,040. Or we can also read this in according to our international given system also. That will also be correct, but we have to change this periods here. We have to mention ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and so on. Okay, so this is also right. Now my next question is, write down the smallest number of 9 digits and the greatest number of 6 digits and find their sum. In this I have to write down the smallest number of 9 digits. So what is the smallest number of 9 digit? 1 and 8 times 0. And the greatest number of 6 digit is 6 times 9. So the smallest number of 9 digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have written down the periods here. And the greatest number of 6 digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have to find the total, means we have to add it here. 0 plus 9, 9. 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 0, 0, 1. That will be my answer. Okay. We need not to place here rupees because this is question without any unit. Now let's move to the second last question. 3 sugar factories produce ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 sugar factories produce 3 crore 28 lakh 7,700 562 bags. And second factory produce 1 crore 67 lakh 28,654 bags. And the third one produce 79 lakh 67,432 bags of sugar. How many bags of sugar in all were produced by 3 factory during the year? It is asking that all total 3 factories will produce how much bag of sugar if the amount of sugar bag is given here according to the factories. So again I have written down it here, and then we have to just add it. 4 plus 2 6, 6 and 2 8, 6 5 11, 11 3 14, 5 6 11, 11 and 1 12, 12 and 4 16, 7 plus 1 8, 8 and 8 16, 16 and 7 23, 2 plus 0 2, 2 2 4, 4 and 6 10, 1 here, 8 plus 1 9, 9 7 16, 16 and 9 25, 2 2 4 and 6 10, 10 7 17, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So rupees 5 crore 75 lakh 3,648 were produced by all the 3 factories. Okay. Now our last question is, a father from his money gave rupees 2 crore 1 lakh 45,637 to his wife, means a man has given that much rupees to his wife, rupees 98 lakh 21,307 to his son, and 1 crore 15 lakh 26,170 to his daughter, and we have to find the total amount the father gave. So I have written down money given to wife. He has given rupees 2 crore 1 lakh 45,637 to his wife. Money given to son means he gave 98 lakh 21,307 rupees to his son, and money given to daughter means he has given rupees 1 crore 15 lakh 26,170 rupees to his daughter. So we have to find the total amount he has given to his family. So let's start adding them. 7 7 14, 3 plus 1 4, 4 and 7 11, 6 plus 1 7 and 3 10 plus 1 11, 5 6 7, 7 and 6 13, 4 2 6 7 and 2 9, 8 plus 1 9, 9 and 5 14, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So rupees 4 crore 14 lakh 93,114 is given by man to his wife, son and daughter. This is the total amount. So our first exercise is completed. I will share this PDF with you so that you can complete your copy up to this exercise, and always keep in mind how to write down the statements. I have given the very easy method of writing down the statements, and how to add large numbers. You have to write down the periods like this, and then you have to add your numbers. Okay, so do it carefully, complete your copy, and it is your test. I hope you will perform well in your test. Good luck to all the students. And also one thing, try to improve your handwriting and try to do neat and clean work, because the writing of few students were not understandable when I checked their copies. So improve your handwriting and write in good manner like a good student. Okay, take care and revise all the chapters. Bye.